Hey! Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. So guys, we're gonna react to VANNY, VABIOLA, The Power of Love, CELINE cover. Now she's really good at singing CELINE covers, guys. I mean, like, I'm always astonished by her performance. So my girlfriend hasn't heard it as yet, and she's my girlfriend, guys.
I think I know that by now though.
Yeah, might be, probably, hopefully, maybe.
No. Probably newcomers, but the other ones who
Yeah. Yeah, I do understand.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So without further ado, let's see what capabilities we're gonna get from VANNY right now. Love from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we'll see you there. Take off with us. We'll be right back. Peace. Ah, to be honest, it's not my first time even doing a reaction to her, but like in all of my reactions, whenever time she starts some music, I always feel enthusiastic. Or the enthusiasm of her songs is quite impactful on my life, bro. Like, it is just so amazing to see this and hear her voice. The combination of her voice and the instruments and
It's a
everything
mixture.
is just, the mixture is like on point, bro.
But you can't really tell the mixture that there's a lot of kind of mixture in her voice. Even when she started, just started, you just hear a different mixture, and then she go into a different one, and then a different one. It's like
Yeah,
a lot
but
of
like,
mixture there.
she's multi-talented with multiple voices whenever time she's singing, guys. So she have notes that can go high, low, and level. So let's continue. Ah, we're caught up in the moment, guys. This song is so touching. I mean, like, yeah, it's quite factual, or I wanna give it a word. Word I can use to describe it. Let's see, representing. Uh, it can be representing. Yes, it can be representing because it's representing something that we are going through and we are doing. So it's great. It's great. And Vanny Vabiola's voice makes it even more nicer to digest. You understand? So it always gives us that loving moment, loving feeling, the bubbling loving that is flowing from within our hearts into this song, and this song is coming onto us like that, bro. It's always on point. beautiful. Just beautiful.
Magnificent.
Extraordinary. Bewildering.
Magnificent.
Outrageously amazing. Let's continue.
Woo!
Woo! Woo! Woo! Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. This hitting. This is it. This is hitting to the core. Yeah, we are feeling. We are
We're
having
feeling
a moment right now where
caught
it's
up.
just goosebumps, guys.
We're caught up. We're caught up.
Yeah, the love is flowing,
The love
and
is flowing. And it's amazing. Mm-hmm.
yeah, we do love this song, and we do love the person who are voicing this song, even though we cannot come close to the original, but we have some
Yeah,
people who can go as close enough to the original, but we have to accept it
but
as it
she's
is.
amazing though.
Yeah,
She is.
she's amazing. We're loving it. We absolutely do loving it. Okay, okay, guys, this is a moment that we have to enjoy,
Mm-hmm.
right? We have to embrace the fact that if someone is loving someone, guys, and you can feel that person's presence around, guys, we have to embrace it.
Yeah, exactly. Don't hide
Because
it. Just embrace the
yeah,
love that you have
embrace
for
it.
each other.
Because in these times, guys, it's hard to find somebody to love, especially some of these women. Some, we are not really, let's say,
But it's hard to find a man to even love, so it's just both ways.
yeah, yeah, and
Not just woman.
no offense though, no offense, no offense, no offense, but
None taken.
okay, thank you. So, guys, to be honest, we have to love the person that we are claiming that that person is ours, or we are together. We have to love that person, because if we do find someone and that someone is taking us for granted, that eventually that person never even give us the moment or the chance to love them. You understand? So we don't take love for granted, because love is rare, love is hard to find. So we have to embrace the moment that that person is giving unto us, guys. You
Cherish.
understand? Yeah.
Cherish the
Cherish that
moment.
moment. Yeah. And do not wait until that person leaves. Then you've realized that that person was loving you all along. See what
Exactly.
their worth is like and give them the worth that they deserve. So we have to embrace each other, guys.
Don't judge the book by its cover. Just open and see what the book is all about.
Exactly. Exactly.
If it's something that you cannot work with, then
Just
leave
move
it.
along. Just move along. I
Exactly.
mean, like, there are tons of people out there who you can accept as who they are. So if you guys take up someone and you have a fault with that someone, please don't use that person as a tool. If you guys are not a mechanic, it doesn't make any sense that you guys use tool. Just move along and accept a person for who they are and not for what they're having. Let's continue. Hey! Careful. Hey, Vanny, careful no. Careful. What's wrong with you? You wanna have rough voice? Careful! I wanna hear you do it like that. Careful. What's here? Okay guys, let's continue. Okay guys, let's continue. Alright guys.
We'll
Okay,
continue.
let's continue.
Sorry guys.
Yeah. Yeah, this is really good.
This is really nice.
Yeah, nice. This is
You
nice.
can vibe to it. I mean, can have a nice vibe.
Amazing.
Amazing,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing us right now. You know, so
We feel it in our body, so we have to understand me. Just something. Make the fire just. Ooh!
it's bringing up a lot of heat over here, guys. Yeah. Very hot.
It's hot over here. It's getting very hot.
Okay guys, so let's finish up.
Last part of the note. Woo!
This woman is
And the little
amazing.
whistle, like,
Yeah,
ooh.
she's amazing, like wow. If you guys visit us for the video, thank you so much for watching. And I think we'll see you next time. If you
Next
guys
time around.
do want more reactions by us, don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification bell to be notified, and leave a like on the video. So if this video reach like 10k views and even less, it doesn't matter. We'll always give you guys reaction because we do love this and we do love Vanny VABIOLA's voice because it's very unique. So we'll see you next time.
Bye
Peace.
guys!